Good morning. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. I started watching The Polygamist on what's that, Netflix. And I watched all 22 episodes. I tell you, karma is a hell of a thing. And what you put out, what you do, how you conduct yourself, sure will enough come back to you. You think that you may be getting away, that you may be living your best life, making good money, got your career going, life is good, you in your own world. What you have done to some people intentionally and knowingly is coming back around for you. He was wicked. He just, from the mother, from his wife, to his daughter's friend, to the girl at the office, he just was overdoing it. What's wrong with this man? What is wrong with him? And he was lusty. He was very lustful. Oh. And see, in the end, wound him up, caught HIV because he loved the sexing so bad. And died. Died a player. And it caught up to him. So, I'm just getting up. Zion just left out for work. Husband left out for work. I'm here with my mother and royalty. So I'm about to get up, get myself together, get ready to make these aki bowls. Get ready to make these aki bowls. And husband's birthday is in 2 freaking days. I gotta go to Sephora. Maybe get him 2 colognes or something. And gotta get him a cake. And what's a birthday without a cake? I always say that. Alright, y'all. Let me get up. So, I am getting ready to head to Sephora and David's Bagel. Y'all know my favorite place to get bagels. I can't record it live because my phone is dying. It was not on the charger last night. I'm just realizing. So I'm gonna pick up when I get to Sephora. So I'm done in Sephora. Got babe some really, really nice ones because I didn't tell y'all what I got. But I picked some really good ones. And now I'm waiting for the bus to head to David's Bagel and then home. I see you when I get there. When you leave your kids with the grandparents, should you give them money?
Is this a quiz?
I think you should put a little something in their backpack. But that's about it.
Is this a quiz?
Is the grandmother responsible to pay for everything?
Is the grandmother responsible to pay for anything? Well, just ask the auntie. If the nieces or nephews come over, am I responsible for everything? It seemed that way.
No, because them girls came with money. They said it was in their backpack. And they got money, they spending their money. You gonna come over here and spend up all of mine and go home with your money?
No, my
No.
father wouldn't spend it.
If I got it like that. Then it's
Here,
okay.
if she got it. The question, whether you got it or you don't, should the parents send their kids with money to the grandparents' house?
Yes.
When you say, oh father, I put a little something in royalty bag just in case. My father gonna be like, he probably start laughing at me like, what?
No, yeah. You
Like,
should.
what?
I don't care where they go. Who house? Auntie?
No, absolutely.
Cousin? Grandma?
Well, my
It's
daughter
up
does.
to
She don't
whoever they
go.
going, whether
Yeah,
decide,
you should
know,
send your child with money, no matter where they going.
It's
Whether,
up to the adult whether they want to use that money or not.
yeah. I don't like when people send their kids places and they don't. You didn't send them with no money.
No, that's not okay.
It's not an issue for me to spend my money on your child because I'm gonna do it anyway. But you just don't do that. You're supposed to make sure you're secure. Your child is secure at all times. But some people don't do that. So what can you say? Everybody is not mommy in the same. Everybody's just not.
Because you invite, then that means it's all on you. You invited, so you must be covering everything. But even if that's so,
if you invite me to dinner, should I not bring my bank card?
No, I'm talking about.
No, because I'm just saying, yeah, just because you're invited, you assuming that the person is paying.
No, that's why I'm very clear. I'm very clear. When I be like, yo, let's go get something to eat, that don't mean Sharice is paying.
But why would somebody even assume that? You know when you can, I'm only going to say a little bit when you can assume. When somebody's like, I want to take you out. I'm going to take you out. Yes, I'm going to assume a little bit, but I'm still going to have my own money.
No, I'm not going to assume because I'm not going to leave not knowing. So when you say you taking me out, that means you paying? All right, I'm there. I don't say let's go hang out, and if I make sure I got money
to hang out.
When I go, like people who's like
if you
that.
go out with your man, do you assume he should always pay?
Yep. You know.
Royalty say, "Yep."
Because if it's my man, I'm like, who paying? You or me? What's going on?
I assume he's always paying because majority of the time he's the one who's paying, but I have to stop him and I have to say, oh, I'm gonna pay, and he'd be like, oh, okay.
And he looked like he don't have no problem with it.
He'd be like, oh, okay. Yeah, in the beginning he used to be like, you sure? And I'm like, yes. And because he said it used to make him uncomfortable. But I always, anytime, it doesn't matter where we're going, it's always, I know that he's gonna pay. Yeah. If he doesn't pay, it's because I stepped in and said, hello, I'm paying.
Yeah.
Or I have to tell him before we leave, listen, when we go, I'm paying for such and such. You pay for such and such. I have to say that. But if we there, he sees me pulling out my card. And even if I'm struggling to get my card out for like 2-3 seconds, he'd be like, leave it. Like, I mean, yes. I'd be like, wait, my card is just stopped. All right, so we're starting to make the aki bowl, right? Got our granola. We got, well, it's not aki bowl, I told y'all before. So we got our strawberry, banana, and berries. That is what we're gonna be putting inside of our acai bowl. All right, so we just got all of this fruit is washed already, so don't be talking no junk. Like, how's she eating that? And it's not even washed. It's washed. So what I use for my acai bowl is the organic acai puree from Trader Joe's. Okay, this is an unopened bag. It comes with packs inside, like this, that you just put in a blender, as we're gonna do. You put in a blender and blend that. I add a little agave to give it a little hint of sweetness, and then add everything else I need in my bowl. All right, watch. So got our blender, right? Yikes. Got our blender. It's rinsed out. We got our fresh water. You can use coconut water to blend with it or whatever kind of water you want. Let me get a scissor. And if you wanted to make a smoothie, you would just add milk. Alright, so let's see. I think 4 is good. So I mixed it. You can see it's mixed in there. Gonna add the agave for sweetness. Right. Gonna mix it. Alright, so it's in a bowl, right? Why are you saying that, Mom? My mother said I'm a sloppy cook. Why is she saying that? This is how we look.
Can I have the rest of the strawberries?
Homemade. Okay. God, Ma, you can taste that. My mother said I'm a messy cook. Oh, yeah, eat all your bananas.
Hey. Hey.
Dag. You like it? It's okay. If you want it sweeter, you could make your what you call it sweeter. But good. That is it. Now I'm gonna do mine. I got mine in the freezer because it was just a little bit too loose. And yeah.
That's for your mother's what you call it?
Everything is from Trader Joe's. Everything is under, I'm gonna say under $30 for everything. And remember, you get like 4 or 5 packs or 6 packs inside that packet of the Açaí. Anywho, like, share, subscribe this video. Like, share, subscribe this video. Share it out. Hype up this video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below because I do respond. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next vlog. This one is mine. I forgot to add the coconut flakes in the other one. So you could also add coconut flakes or you could leave it as is. Up to you. But yeah. So this is it.